Turn on the Developer tab in Excel if you want to create a macro, export and import XML files, or insert controls. To turn on the Developer tab, execute the following steps. Right-click anywhere on ribbon and then click Customize the ribbon. Customize the ribbon. Under the Customize ribbon, on the right side of the dialog box, select Main tab if necessary only. Here, select the Main tab. Check the Developer checkbox. Then click OK. You can find the Developer tab near to View tab. Okay. To remove the Developer tab from the ribbon, click right button, then click Customize the ribbon, then uncheck Developer checkbox, then click OK.